Well, thank you so much, and thanks for most of the students who are collecting A plus marks and lot of calls to me. Then I am impressed of this infant is previous uh, students and who are collecting A plus marks in mathematics. So I am proud. Then uh, now this following equation, f of x equal to x square plus bx plus c. So find the square root of 11 modulus root over minus 1. So root over is I. So firstly 11 divide 2 into 2i root, because we know that minus 1 equal to I square is a complex formula, and then 11 divide 2 whole root 2i. That's why 11 divide 2 root over into root over 1 plus 2i minus 1. That's why 11 divide 2 root into 1 plus 2i plus I square root over, that's equal to 11 divided by root over 11 divided by root over 2, and 1 plus I is a whole square root. That's why 11 divide 2 into 1 plus I plus minus is a 2 marks, is a only 2 marks, and this is the square root of result. It's so easiest and easy things. And is number क when f of x equal 0, then x square plus bx plus c equal 0. Since the two roots alpha and beta, then alpha plus beta equal minus b by a, and alpha beta equal c divide a. That's why alpha b by a, b means minus 4 divided by 5x divided by, therefore alpha plus beta equal to minus b divide a equal to b divide minus 2p divided by a divide 1 equal to p, and alpha beta equal c divide a. That's why p square minus r square divided by 1. That's why p square minus r square is a alpha beta and alpha plus beta. It's so easy process and easy maths. I think uh, the required equation whose roots are alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta, then x square minus alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta into x plus alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta equal to 0. That's why x square minus alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta, alpha beta that means 2p, plus alpha minus beta that means alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta is a plus 2p into alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta equal to 0. And then x square minus 2p plus 4p square minus 4 into p square minus r square root over into x plus 2p into root over 4p square minus 4p square plus 4r square into equal to 0. That implies x square minus 2p plus 4p square 4 root over 4r square into x plus 2p into 2r equal 0. So implies x square minus 2p plus 2r into x plus 4pr equal to 0. So that implies x square minus 2 into p plus r into x plus 4pr equal to 0. It is the required equation or also this equation. So this question f of x equal to 0 is being two roots alpha and beta. Find the equation of the roots alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. So firstly you have to equation of alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. So it is the relation of roots and coefficient. Then alpha plus beta equal to find the alpha plus beta of value and alpha minus beta of value, then the equation. So the required equation whose roots are alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta, x square alpha plus beta into x, alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta equal to 0. So that's why this is the values, this the values and this the values, this is the values. So the required equation is atho. So you have to practice and memorize. This is the system. So if we, which is the hence the required Then the required equation. It is the number solution. Now, now this solution is number go. It is the criterion solve this question. So you have to practice in deeply and you have to collect in good marks. I think number go. If a equal to 4 and b equal to minus 4 divided by 5x and c equal to 1 by 25 x square. So given that the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. So that's why a that means 4 x square plus b that means minus 4 divided by 5x into x plus c that divided by 25 into x square equal 0. That's why 2x whole square minus 2 by 5 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5 x star whole square equal 0. That's why 2x minus 1 by 5x whole square is equal to 0. Equal to 0. Therefore, let f of x equal to 2x minus 1 by 25 1 by 5x that whole square. So that implies f of x is whole to the power 7 equal to 2x minus 1 by 5x whole to the power 14. It's so easiest and easy things. So you have to deeply practice. I think that you should collect in good marks and good result. That's why f of x whole to the power 7 equal to 2x minus 1 by 5x whole to the power 14. Now this expansion of r plus 1 term is equal to tr plus 1 equal to ncr a to the power n minus r x to the power r. That's why 14cr 2x whole to the power 14 minus r and minus 1 by 5x whole to the power r is a r plus 1 term of f of x whole to the power 7. That's equal to 14cr 2 to the power 14 minus r x to the power 14 minus r and minus 1 by 5 whole to the power r and x to the power minus r. That's why cr 2 to the power 14 minus r x to the power 14 minus 2r and minus 1 by 5 whole to the power r. Now since the coefficient of theory of terms, since the coefficient coefficient of 3 of terms in x. That's why x to the power 14 minus 2r is equal to x to the power 0. So that implies 14 minus 2r equal 0. That's why r equal to 7. R equal to 7. So you have to practice and washing. So f of x whole to the power 7, 2x minus 1 by 5x whole to the power 14. Now this expansion of r plus 1 term, here plus 1 equal to ncr a to the power n minus r x to the power r. So 14 cr 2x 14 minus r minus 1 by 5x whole to the power r. That's why 14 cr to the power 14 minus r x to the power 14 minus r minus 1 by 5 whole to the power r x to the power minus r. Since the coefficient of the free of terms in x, that's why x to the power 14 minus 2r equal to x to the power 0. X to the power 14 minus 2r equal x to the power 0. That's why 14 minus 2r equal to 0. So r equal to 7. And the expression of free of terms in x, find the values. That's why find the values of free of terms. That means free of terms is coefficient of terms in x. So t r plus 1 t8 equal to 14 c7 2 to the power 14 minus 7 and minus 1 by 5 whole to the power 7 minus 1 to the power 5 whole to the power 7. That's why 14 c7 2 to the power 7 and minus 1 to the power 7 and 1 by 5 to the power 7. It's so the equation of terms, equation of f of x, and the f of x is the expression of free of terms in x. Find the values. This is the values of free of terms. This is the value of free of terms. Well, thank you and thanks most of the welcome these students whose students are watching the channel and videos. So I on request all of students, you have to watching deeply and share and subscribe this my channel. Well, thank you.